Hello family, welcome to my channel My Few Little Things. So in this lockdown period we have been engaged in many activities, and now I've come on my terrace. This is my house terrace, and I'm going to share with you one of the activity which we have made on our terrace. It's a game. So guys, I have named this game as a sunshine game or a sunshine workout because a 2019 Pan India study found that 70 to 90% of Indians are deficient of the sunshine vitamin, and the deficiency can have adverse consequences for skeletal development in babies and children and bone health in adults. Sunlight is an important ingredient for a human body which has natural vitamin D in abundance. The body needs vitamin D to absorb calcium. If one doesn't get vitamin D through sunlight, the minerals and the other essential supplements taken will be drained by sweat or by urine. Thus, the body takes calcium from its stores in the skeleton, which weakens existing bones and prevents the formation of new strong bone. Best time to do this exercise or play game is at early sunrise, that is 7 to 9 am in the morning, or sunset. This is the best time to absorb vitamin D from the sun rays. A very entertaining game for kids and workout for adults which hardly takes 10 to 15 minutes of your time. This can be a great family time to work out together, and also it is possibly best way to introduce numbers, alphabets, shapes, straight lines, curved lines to your little one toddler. This will also help them to analyze on their own where to start, jump, walk, run, and stop. In short, follow written instructions at early age.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay!
B, C, E, F, G,
M.
N,
Hmm. Hmm.
P, Q,
Hmm.
R, U, T, U, V, yes,
W. X.
Y,
Y.
Z,
Yay!
Z,
So let's start with the video. Okay, to start with, this is breathe in, breathe out, and then you have to start. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to hop here. This is 10 jogs, 10 hand rotation, 10 neck rotation, 10 fist rotation, 10 hip rotation, 10 each leg rotation. This is 10 round circles, and then after taking a circle you have to walk through this line because you'll not be able to walk properly on this line. So once you go through the line, this is A to Z. You have to hop A to Z. This is side jump, inside, outside, 10 side jumps. This is Roman numbers 1 to 10. This is skipping 20, and this is the rest. So here this is toe balance. You have to walk on your toes. This is the frog jump. This is opposite stretches, like you have to stretch in the opposite sides. This is 10 squats. This is foot walk. You have to walk on the foot. This is leg rise, 10 leg rise. This is back walk. This is 10 side bend. This is side walk. You have to walk on the side through this pillar. This is a pole of which you have to take 10 rounds, and after taking rounds you have to walk straight on this line. This is the 5 high jump, and this is finish. Stay home, stay fit. So here we have two of them who are going to help me today in playing this game. He is Sriniket and he is Vedant. Say hi.
Hi.
So let's see who is going to do it faster. Varda. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. My few little things. Bye.